So what's up people, this is Akash and welcome back to Dollar Dreams. So guys, this video would again be interesting. The topic is damn interesting. IELTS versus TOEFL, which one to choose? Which is the easy one to go with? So guys, before starting the video, do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon. So guys, let's get started. So if you're planning for UK, Europe and Australia, so IELTS is the one that you have to give. If you're planning for US, you should give TOEFL. So in the current scenario, every college basically is accepting these both examinations, but still it would be perfect to know from the college which exam should be given, either it's TOEFL or IELTS. So let's get started to know in depth about IELTS and TOEFL. So talking about IELTS, first of all, there are 4 sections: reading, writing, listening and speaking. You get 2.5 hours specifically for the examination. These 3 sections basically that I'm talking about: reading, listening and writing. So for these 3 sections you get 2.5 hours of time. Both of the modules, like for IELTS and TOEFL, you get online section. So for IELTS you get both verticals. So basically आप IELTS pen and paper से भी दे सकते हो और online भी दे सकते हो. So you have 2 modules basically which you can choose. So if you are choosing online test basically, so it would be easy for you to sit at home, right, and give it on your laptop or computer. So the examination is held on a similar day and the result comes out like in 3 to 5 days. But if you're giving a pen and paper base, then it would take 13 days for your result to come out. So the examination fee for IELTS is 17,000 as of now. So the minimum score that every college accepts is 6.5. You have to get 6.5 bands in the total overall. So the minimum score that every college accepts is 6.5. That means that in every vertical, every 4 section basically, you have to get minimum 6 to get the 6.5. The maximum score is 9 bands that you can achieve. So अब अगर मैं marks की बात करूं तो marks basically यहाँ पे 6.5 minimum हर यूनिवर्सिटी को चाहिए होता है. जैसे कि 4 verticals मैंने आपको बताया, उन 4 verticals में आपको 6 bands. You need 6 band in every vertical basically. And maximum bands that you can get is 9 bands out of the total. So guys, let's talk about TOEFL now. So TOEFL also gives you an option like to give it online. So in this scenario, they have 4 sections. Again, the same pattern that IELTS has. इसमें भी 4 sections होते हैं: listening, reading, writing and speaking. But इसमें एक catch है. TOEFL में ये main चीज है कि आप जब speaking दे रहे होते हो तो IELTS में basically आपके सामने कोई ना कोई एक invigilator बैठा होता है, उसके साथ आप basically बात कर रहे होते हो. But in TOEFL, the thing is different. You have to record yourself and basically it is sent to an AI or a human to evaluate. So guys, if I talk about the fees, so as compared, TOEFL has a little bit, very little bit less as compared to IELTS. So it is 16,900. So if we see after taxes, basically in IELTS, it comes to 17,150 approximately. So that's a short thing that which gives a TOEFL a slight bit of higher edge. So now let's talk about the mark system. So 120 basically is the maximum that you can get in TOEFL, and 78 to 85. 78 is the minimum criteria of US universities to get approved. So 75 to 85 that you have to get minimum of the minimum. So if I compare both these examinations, IELTS and TOEFL, as compared, basically reading is the main issue. Reading is the main problem in TOEFL. TOEFL has a different set of reading skills in it. As compared, TOEFL's reading is tough than IELTS. So that is why students basically choose IELTS, because it's an easy outflow model and people go with it more. So if I compare the 9 bands, overall 9 bands if we get in IELTS, it would be evaluated to 118 to 120 score in TOEFL. So guys, the main thing is you have to check with the university first which of the examination is accepted there. So if TOEFL is accepted, then give TOEFL, and if it's IELTS accepted, then go for IELTS. But majority of the colleges accepts both. So that is why majority of the students basically go with IELTS, but it is up to you which one you should give. So guys, this was the video about IELTS versus TOEFL, which one to choose. So many more videos are coming up. Stay tuned. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon. So guys, that was all from my end. Bye bye.